All right, what's going on, kid family? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we are just about headed to Bullet's garage's house. We got the front shocks here, front shocks assemblies. As you guys know from the last video, we already aligned the bushing here so the spring sits perfectly on the bushing and not on the top hat. Before there was issues with it, so we're going to Bullet's garage now. We're just gonna make sure we tighten the top hats. He got the deep sockets that we need. Otherwise, this is the car as it sits right now. Gave it a fresh wash today, and you know, we're gonna try to take a before and after at the same location right over here. So as you can see right now, it is sitting on SI suspension, full SI front rear suspension, SI shocks, SI springs, SI front and rear sway bars. The car drives pretty good. It could use a better tire on here, but yeah, with the springs and the 1.5 inch drop, we're gonna be sitting right on the money, right on the tire, in my opinion. This side's gonna give you guys any more justice or not, but yeah, there's quite a bit of wheel gap. You know, it's not huge by no means. The wheel gap is definitely reduced by the 225 series tire instead of the 215 that comes factory on these tires, on these rims. But overall, she looks pretty good. The lip looks pretty good in my opinion. Everything's gonna come together once we put the suspension on. We drop it down a little bit. I think everything's gonna look fantastic, and you know, that's just the next step. And you know what, at the end of the day, all this is gonna really blow your mind how much I'm paying for all these appearance mods. So keep watching, guys. Let's head to Bullet's garage right now. Oh gosh, so heavy. Okay, here we go. Hey, oh shoot, say hi to the vlog. Hey Greg. What's going on, dogs? All right, so we're gonna tighten these up. Got the tools.
Yes, on today's video, we're gonna give this a couple uggas to tighten this up.
So this one's a 17.
Sir, this is a this is a 16.
See, I told you, man.
My
I don't make mistakes. I'm just curious if that shaft is gonna be spinning. Can you tell your dogs to calm down?
Film a video. We're filming a video.
I swear. Every time.
We're filming a video.
Every time, whether it's my house or his house, we got dogs in the background.
It's probably gonna spin now.
That's perfect, and it didn't spin the shaft, so we're pretty much good right there. Oh my god.
Now we can lower the Civic for the 80th time. Man, that thing still needs more torquing. Look how much thread's on there already.
Well, I just hand tightened it. It wasn't spinning, right?
Nope.
That should be good then.
Yeah, that's more than good enough, I would say.
Everything's still. Oh my god.
We're trying to film a video.
Man, look at it. All my subscribers already left the video probably by this point.
Job well done. Hey, where are you going? This is where they belong.
No,
just throw them in here.
I already put it in there when I first came in. But see, we think alike, man. I'm really curious if I have any weight savings compared to the factory.
I doubt it, bro.
We got a car. We got a Civic coming, boys. Let the Civic pass.
Hey, give you a little hey, okay.
You saw that? You saw that?
I saw that.
You gave me that okay. Let's throw this in the back.
Sure, this dum-dum don't run out.
I already took off this, you know, for the rear access.
Yeah, buddy.
Remember, this was the one, remember we put the nut in?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it should be all right.
How in the world?
So it's getting cold. This video is over. We're gonna continue installing this tomorrow, but I am gonna move the car. So yeah. All right, so this just became a Bullet's garage vlog now. Surprisingly enough, he's installing another carbon fiber lip going onto his vehicle right now.
Have carbon fiber.
And this is the same lip that I just put on my Civic, so you guys can see this piece, this whole side piece right here on my car, and going down, ripped apart. I mean, this lip pretty much ripped up in half, and I got the top piece. You can see some of the epoxy right here where it was glued together, and he actually took my advice and put resin. You guys probably can't see, but he put resin inside. Wow, really good job with the resin, buddy.
Oh yeah, we laid it in thick.
No, but what else did you put in there? Like
Some gauze.
that's some tight gauze, yeah. You still got any of my resin left?
Yeah.
So interesting to see. But yeah, you're gonna put this one on today.
We're gonna mock it up.
We're gonna mock it up differently though than last time,
A
right?
little bit differently.
Yeah.
So it's not pulling on the edges too tightly.
Because last time I know you pre-drilled some of these holes here that
which
are.
we're not gonna do because I
Yeah.
think this one shows, or this one shows.
Yeah, and you
on
don't
the
even need
bumper.
to drill it
Yeah.
essentially. So I don't know why they pre-drilled these
Well,
like
for
that.
the GS350
Yeah.
where it belongs, it does use all of them.
Okay. Well, so far looks good. Hopefully this one won't split at you at 120 miles an hour.
All right, guys. Before we install this lip, I'm gonna use.
2 hours later, trying to fit this Lexus, what is this, ES lip? GS lip, Lexus GS lip onto this F Sport right here. So far it's working out okay. We're trying to make adjustments so it's a little bit better than the last lip he installed that got ripped off. The mounting surfaces aren't ideal for this application, but with a lot of cutting, with a lot of drilling, with a lot of support, I think he can make it manageable here. So you're probably asking yourself, how come you're driving a Civic when homeboy's got a Lexus GSF? Well, I didn't invest in Bitcoin when I should have. Psych, I'm just kidding. Well, the job is done. The front lip is installed, nicely secured, in position. This lighting is terrible. I don't think it's giving the car justice, but we'll point it out to you guys when we back it up a little bit. As you can see, this right here is my favorite angle with the carbon fiber. I think it looks pretty good. So once we get it off these bump stops here, I'll give you another look, and it's gonna be the end of this day's video. We were gonna install the suspension on my Civic, but at the end of the day, it got chilly out. You know, it's sun's setting down. Didn't have much time. Hold on, why'd you lift down? You're gonna go over this big bump. Lift up. Just lift up. It looks like it's right there. So close. So low. I think this side's we gotta pick this side up a little bit. This side looks lower. Right? How's it look? I don't know. Yeah, it looks like the whole driver's side is sitting way lower. Yeah, I mean, I could tell. You don't have like a short stubby screwdriver, do you?
I do.
It's gotta be at the bottom, eh? Catch. I mean, what do you got, like?
We're just adding downforce.
I don't know, man. We got like 4.5 inches maybe from the ground when you're aired down. Beautiful car though. Sick fitment. Look at that. Our Civic won't have sick fitment like that, but oh well. Did you picked it up a little bit? Still think you gotta go up more. Let's move these bump stops here. Flat stoppers. If you guys are storing your car for long periods of time, you definitely need these. It's gonna scrape, man. No, not bad.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya, kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya.